Hello, my friends. Today we are going to make some bird feeders. So, in your bags, you should have a little bag like this that has Cheerios and some pipe cleaners. So, that's what you'll need for this activity. So, our birds like to eat their Cheerios, huh? And in the winter, it sometimes is hard for birds to find food because normally we have snow on the ground. This year we don't have very much snow, so they can still probably find their food, but it's still nice of us to give them a little treat. So, for our bird feeders, we're going to take our Cheerio and our pipe cleaner, and we're going to put our Cheerio right onto our pipe cleaner, just like that. And maybe mommies or daddies or grandmas or grandpas or whoever's with you can help you bend the end like this at the bottom so that all of our Cheerios will stay on, just like that. So we're going to keep putting Cheerios on and help feed our birds. You can put on as many as you want or as little as you want. And then when your pipe cleaner is all filled up, parents can help you bring this outside and put it around the tree. And then you can watch and see if some birds come and eat off of your bird feeder. And hopefully they'll be able to munch on the Cheerios and get them off, and that will help their bellies stay full for the winter time. Hope you have fun making your bird feeders. Send us a picture on Seesaw when you're done with them and when they're in the tree. Bye-bye.